Good morning, students. Welcome back in the online class of Social Studies. Hope you all are fine and doing your studies well. Today, we will continue the same chapter, chapter number 13, the desert region. In the previous video, I had taught to you about the climate, vegetation, and wildlife of desert region and life of people also. Today, we will know about the occupation and what is the main source of water in desert region. Okay. See, agriculture is an important occupation of the people where water is available. And what is the main source of water? The Indira Gandhi Canal is the main source of water. Where water is available, farming is possible. Now all of you open page number 119 in your social studies book. See, first topic, occupation. As I told you, agriculture is the main occupation of the people living in desert where water is possible or water is available. Main crops growing in desert are jowar, bajra, wheat and millets. These are the main crops grown by the farmers. Okay. Grasses form the main natural resource of the desert. They provide nutrition to the animals and are also used for making medicines, oils and soaps. As we all know that in desert vegetation is very less. Only small scrubs grow there. Some medicinal plants also grow in desert region which are used for making medicines, oils and soaps. Cattle is reared for milk and sheep are reared for their wool. Sheep is reared for wool, for getting wool. And animals are domesticated for milk and other purposes. Okay. Now see the next topic, water. There is a scarcity of water in the desert region. Scarcity means shortage. In desert region, water shortage is a common problem. Water from seasonal rainfall is collected in tanks or reservoirs and is used for drinking and domestic purposes. Okay. When in monsoon season it rains there, they collect the water in reservoirs and tanks to use for drinking and for using the water for domestic purposes. People have now started storing water by using traditional methods of water storage, as groundwater is brackish and saline. Why they use rainwater for drinking and domestic purposes? Because groundwater is brackish. Brackish means slightly salty and saline. Saline means also salty. Okay, containing salt and is unfit for drinking. They cannot use saline water for drinking and doing domestic work. That's why they are bound to collect rainwater for domestic purposes and to drink also. Canals are an important source of water supply in the desert region. The Indira Gandhi Canal irrigates a vast amount of land in the Thar Desert. In Thar Desert, the Indira Gandhi Canal is the only main source to irrigate a vast amount. that is used for irrigation of crops. There are a few roadways and railways lines in this region. Okay, in desert region, few roadways and railways lines are also. Now we will know about the state Rajasthan. Okay, about 70% of the state is covered by desert. The Great Indian Desert falls in the state of Rajasthan, and 70% of the state Rajasthan is covered by desert. In this way, it is also called the desert state of India. Okay. The other name of Rajasthan is also known as the desert state of India, because 70% of the state is covered by desert only. The capital of Rajasthan is Jaipur. Before independence, Rajasthan was known as Rajputana. Rajasthan means the abode of the Rajas. Abode means living place of Rajas or home of the kings. Rajasthan is located in the northwestern part of India. When you see its location in the map of India, you will find it in the northwestern part of India. The Aravalli Range lies in the southeast. Some of the rivers which flow in Rajasthan are Chambal, Banas, Banganga and Luni. These are the main rivers which flow through the state of Rajasthan. Okay. Some of the important places of tourist interest in the state of Rajasthan are Sariska National Park in Alwar, Desert National Park in Jaisalmer, Ajmer Sharif Dargah in Ajmer, Sham and Khuri Sand Dunes in Jaisalmer, Lake Palace in Udaipur, Amer Palace in Jaipur, Bharatpur National Park, Painted Town of Shekhawati. Okay. Rest part of this chapter we will study in the next video. Till then, bye and take care all of you. Thank you.